Jerusalem College of Engineering. The college has been accredited with NBA and NAAC. It is one of the very rare institutes which is situated close proximity to premier educational institutes and also the IT hub of Chennai. The institute offers 7 undergraduate and 6 postgraduate courses in engineering, technology and management. The vision of Jerusalem Engineering College is to emerge as an international institution of excellence in imparting the finest quality engineering, technology, and management education rooted in ethical and societal values through various academic programs, multidisciplinary research, consultancy, and entrepreneurship activities, and hence in contributing towards the social transformation and nation building. The mission is to generate abundant resources and make conducive policies. The management led by the Chief Executive Officer strive towards promoting globally competitive academic programs augmented with value-added courses, in-plant training, co-curricular activities, and ambience that support intellectual growth and skill acquisition. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Jerusalem Engineering College are Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and Information Technology. Cutoff marks for this college for various castes and various departments are: for OC it is between 170 to 181, for BCM it is 151 to 175, for BC it is 165 to 178, for MBC it is 158 to 167, and for SC it is 122 to 144. The facilities at Jerusalem Engineering College are sports. For the overall development of a professional to be placed in highest realms, they have to be physically, mentally, emotionally, and intellectually top in the field. This can be realized through intensive sporting programs and excellent sporting facilities. Jerusalem provides such an environment which facilitates optimal efficiency and effectiveness for the emerging dynamic engineers. The college has attained quite a reputation in sports activities by winning several prestigious tournaments conducted in various levels. Cafeteria. The cafeteria is open to students, staff, and any other visitors to the campus. It serves with quality and wholesome diets to the students. Its area is well suited to have a peaceful munch. Fitness Center. The college owns and operates gym and fitness center that has all the latest equipments and technology to help students shed pounds. Students can choose from vast array of fitness equipments to help them get in shape, from free weights and treadmills to spinning and elliptical to get them going. Library. The library is fully computerized and barcode system is followed in all transactions. Online public access catalog system is available for the users. The library has interlibrary loan facility with Anna University, British Council Library, and Malibnet Madras Library Network. The faculty, staff, and students are benefited by this facility. McGraw-Hill Access Engineering Library and the e-resources include ASCE online journals, IEEE, SpringerLink, JGate, Elsevier, Emerald, ASTM Digital Library. Hostel. The college offers hostel facilities within the campus. There are separate hostel facilities for boys and girls, with hostel warden in each hostel to supervise day-to-day management. Each hostel operates its own mess, providing hygienic and nutritious meals as a part of hostel fee, with a varied menu that caters to the range of taste buds. All the rooms have been designed to provide adequate moving space, ample air and light. The placement at Jerusalem Engineering College. It has 90% placement record with 12 lakhs as highest salary package and 100 plus recruiters. And the main recruiters are Sutherland, Cognizant, Visionary RCM, CSS Corp, Atos Central, and many more. Result comparison for Jerusalem College of Engineering. In 2013, it was 47%. In 2014, it was 65%. In 2015, it was 56%. In 2016, it was 62%. And in 2017, it is 53%. College counseling code is 1307. Contact college at 044 2246 1404 or 044 2246 0131. The website is www.jerusalemengg.ac.in. College is located at Velachery Main Road, Narayanapuram, Pallikaranai, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And the mail ID is jerusalemengg@gmail.com.